Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today I will be showing you all how I do my gel nails at home. I always start with my nails clean and my hands washed. So you're going to need some cuticle nippers or cuticle remover, cuticle pusher, a cuticle little striper tool, a nail file, and buffers. Of course, you're going to need gel polish, base coat, top coat. I like to use a pH bun and the colors of your choice, and wipes and alcohol for cleanup. So first I just start by pushing my cuticles back, and I like to use a metal cuticle pusher, but if you have like an orange wood stick, that'll work as well. It doesn't really have to be the exact tools, whatever you can use to like push your cuticles back, but very gently. And then I move on to removing the cuticles with my cuticle nippers or clippers, and I just clip away the excess skin that is like in the way and that just kind of overgrown, so I just snip that away. Once I'm done with that, I just use this instant cuticle remover. I apply a little bit on each of my fingers, and it says you're not supposed to leave it on for like more than a minute, so I just leave it on for about 15 seconds or so. I rub it in a little bit, and then I push my cuticles again. So like I said, the first thing I do is push my cuticles, and then I will just take the other end of the cuticle pusher and just kind of scrape out the little ooey gooey stuff, which apparently used to be my cuticles, and it kind of dissolves them. Once my cuticles are removed, I go ahead and wash my hands one more time and scrub my nails down just to remove the product and make sure my hands are clean once again. And from there, I just grab my nail file, and I know I'm out of frame, but I'm just cleaning up the edges of my nails, and I only like to file my nails in one direction. So I keep that throughout, and then I like to buff over top of my nail with the nail file, just to give my nails a bit of roughness so that the gel polish has something to adhere to. And then I go in with a pH bond, and this is kind of just like a nail dehydrator, so it just removes the oils or anything that may be on your nail. And I like to apply 2 coats of this, and it just dries out your nails basically. Now the most important part, we're going to apply our gel foundation or our base coats. This is just a clear, thick layer. I do 2 small coats of just thin layers first, so 2 thin layers of the gel base coat. I also like to cap the ends of my nails, so I'll do a sideways little strip of polish. I get a lot of questions on other nail videos like, do you actually need a lamp? Yes, you do need a lamp. You're gonna need an LED or UV light. So again, I like to apply 2 coats. So you really don't have to, but it's just your preference, and I like the added layers on my nails. It just makes the nails look thicker the more coats that you add, and I like the way it looks. I was feeling pretty pink, so I went with the pink gel polish, but I just like to do a strip down the middle, and then I'll turn my nail to the sides and do 2 swipes on each side, and then I'll just kind of correct any colors or get closer to the cuticles if I need to. Usually I like to have an accent finger. It's not the same finger on each hand. Sometimes I'll use like tape to carve out a shape. So here I'm just trying to create a little triangular shape detail. So I'm just using a little tape to get the shape that I want. And I'm going to fill it with this sparkly goldish polish. I like to use a little brush dipped in alcohol to clean it up, but I don't soak it. I just get it wet enough, and then I'll go in with my second coat, finishing that off, and then put it back into the lamp for 30 seconds and my LED lamp to cure. Finally, I'm gonna top off my nails with some top coat, and this is pretty thin. I only do 1 layer of top coat, and this just also makes the nails look really shiny, unless you're using like a matte top coat, but really shiny nails are coming. And the last thing that I'm doing is just taking a wipe dipped in alcohol. I prefer to use 70% or higher, and I clean off all the nails to remove the sticky layer that can get on them. And then voila, you're done. I just put some oil and some lotion on my nails, and you're good to go. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you all in my next upload. Bye. Stay safe.